Alright, so this Helix thing, Helix Lt, is making a buzz. Like that. Hopefully you can hear it. Super annoying. Yeah, I can turn it up a bit. Okay, there's no guitar plugged in, so this is purely coming from the output. If I unplug the output and then turn it up, there's no sound. That's on full volume right now. Plug it back in. Lots of noise. What happens if I turn it off? So it makes noise even there. But then if I do the same, if I plug it into this is a GT8. Left my, I'll turn the volume up there. No noise. So even when there's no power, this is making a bunch of noise. Noise. No noise.